In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a document with DocuSign. We'll walk through the entire process from your DocuSign dashboard all the way to sending the document out for signature, so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to your DocuSign dashboard. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account so you land on the Home or Send page. This is your starting point for creating and sending documents. On the dashboard, look for the option that says Get Signatures and click it. This is DocuSign's way of saying you're about to prepare a document that someone else needs to sign. Next, you'll be prompted to add your document. Click on the Upload button. This opens a file picker window from your computer or device. Navigate to the folder where your document is saved, click on the file you want to send, and then confirm by clicking Open. Give it a moment to upload. You should now see a preview, or at least the file name listed in DocuSign. Now it's time to add your recipient. In the recipient section, click into the field for the recipient's name and type in their full name. This helps keep everything clear, especially if you have multiple signers. Right next to that, or just below it, you'll see a field for the recipient's email address. Carefully type in their email. Take a second to double check the spelling here. If the email is wrong, they won't receive the document. Below that, you'll see a subject line field. This is the subject of the email your recipient will see. Type in a clear, concise subject, like "Please sign service agreement," or whatever matches your document. Clear subjects help your recipient recognize the email and respond faster. Under the subject, you'll find a larger message box. Click into this message field and type a short note that explains what the document is and what you need from them, such as signing by a certain date or reviewing specific sections. A friendly, direct message can make the process smoother. When that's done, click on Next, Add Fields. DocuSign will open a view of your actual document. On the left side, you'll see tools like signature, initials, date signed, and other fields. Click on the signature field and then click on the place in the document where you want your recipient to sign. You can add any other fields you need in the same way, dragging and dropping them to the correct locations. Once everything looks good and all required fields are in place, go to the top or bottom of the page and click Send. DocuSign will now email your document to the recipient, and you'll be able to track its status from your dashboard.